Hi guys, this is our part number 5th of irrigation canal real project. In previous chapter, we created the top of the canal design profiles, and in this chapter, we will create the bottom of the canal. So let's go start now. Do you remember we created one a polyline as our design profile? That polyline is still here, but we can't see because the down of the design profile. So how we see, just click once here and give to command draw order, click here back, you select here back, then appear our this polylines. Now give command offset. Okay, we want to depth of our canal 1.5 meters. So give 1.5 meter offset from this line to this line and say okay. And this previous line we can remove from here, erase, then we can see the design profile. Still you see it is the okay now. So just we once we have to select this line here, select where we have to see the our points here, just select one thing, say like that, so we can't forget it in creating time the design profile same way in the previous chapter. So one by one our drops, all you have to select, make a one line straight or any how, so we can see where is the our drop points. Means we can't forget if we do like that, otherwise we forget, then again we have to break our design profiles and we have again to create it. Then you select, this is the midpoint, and here one drop is here, so just click here and make one drop. Again you select this our polyline, then we see where we can see the point, here is the point. Then again you create one polyline just for that, find out our drops easily. Then select once here, then we see where is that point drop, yes here. Then again you create the one more polyline here, then you select again our polyline, then we see here is the last one. So drop is finished. Again once we have to check carefully it, otherwise it will be not exact the polylines. See here, so mostly I think we not forget here, every point we have to polyline. Yes, we have to polylines. Now go in the home panel and come to in the create design panel. Here you see the profiles, then just click once here and select a profile creation tool. Then the tools before tools they asking select the your profile, we select our profile here. Then this is asking information, some alignment is the okay, then add, and style we want like that same, no problem. We want the label, if you don't want then can make the none, and then say okay. Then tools are appeared, we have to use the first one tools here, just click draw tangent because we don't have the any curve. So just select once here, then come to in profile and start as previous from here to, then see the our polyline first one is here, select, then you select here, select here. Oh, somehow maybe something is there wrong, but we will rectify it, no problem. Just come here, come and select it here, okay, and then come again, our drop is here, then select drop is here, then come to here again, see the polyline down, yes, one drop is here, one drop is here, then we have to go to next drop is here, Then you see the another. No, this is the last one. So last one we have to select here and hit the enter. Now you see our profile has been created here. Okay, you see the drop, everything is there, and where we have to made a some small mistake we can see here. See somewhere, I think we have to rectify it somewhere. No, here is the okay, correct. But do you remember somewhere is there? Maybe you come where we make it, here. So just you select your profile here, eh, and just click this point and bring to here. Now you can see if this is the okay. Then it is now, or it is the okay. So we created the our bottom of the canal. This polyline you can remove from here, and you can see this starting this labels you can see here in previous, and here also you can see the labels are available in at every the drops. So I think you understood how to we create the design profiles canal top and bottom very well. In the next chapter we will create the cross sections, sorry, not cross section. In next chapter we will create the our profiles labels, means this bands, and this side labels horizontal and vertical labels bands everywhere, and also profile styles we will create. So it will be very very important chapter, please. So please ready to watch. The upcoming video will be very very important, because this is the our profiles presentation is showing how to be show that our clients consultants to see the our profiles. So it will be very very important. Thanks for watching.